wasn't funny. Okay guys, I don't know if it's by accident or by Q-ness, yeah. But
Q-ness.
Whatever it is.
He just invented a word. Q-ness. What's up guys? Now
we're talking about stuff, listen to him. Right in our paper, the northwest of the... What?
So is one of our...
The doctor's head inside here.
That was an ice cap, by the way.
Look at that lovely...
Who the heck's a white and more white?
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Don't tell me that this
yeah.
You guys are wearing interested in your sunglasses. See, we have a lot less things.
Yeah.
There's never any sun. You need his boots. Look at his boots. Let me see his hat. As Simon likes to call it.
Oh, okay. Oh, 2 times in a row.
Day.
Look at those parked cars and used and...
Not be surprised to see
yeah. I think
have to wait till winter so the...
Going and going, I don't know, all the way to the river. And then it goes... leads to the north side.
Remember last when we saw
those towers is not very good at.
Okay.
So, okay, another second. Another,
and then we go away for that good one.
Now the 3rd time, all crossing in the street, guys. This is crazy. Woo!
Crazy old
Woo!
now is what they call them.
And they're in Fredericton, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Look at the tractor. Whoa. To kill us. Okay. Sidewalk! Yeah. He knew that the king...
No, it's like an EW. No.
Yeah. Home!
And I wanna go home. Our Canada, guys. Everybody, whoa, look at that car. Oh, this is everybody in Fredericton. This everybody, that's the cultural capital of the cultural capital of Canada for that kind of stuff. Or the cultural capital of culture, right? You guys see that? Right. Let's look and sure.
Yeah, the biggest soft there.
That's on the street. Yeah, it's like close from for ice or anything, right? You can see what's all. That's what I got out of the car. No, they didn't get out of the car. Inside. For insurance, I don't know. Insurance right away before checking. And everybody, because I wanted to go help the weird wrongers.
That were just in a car crash. Stars! Woo! Woo! Look at that!
This is inspiration for all of you.
We're still not. This is
Egyptian house. To the Egyptian house. To one house. Dangerous can it really get, right? Exactly what I thought. Oh, look at that. Downtown. That's perfect. Did you guys see that? This is downtown.
Down, guys.
Woo! It's good. Crazy up there. I swear, guys. It's exactly. Look at AC. You have the Mugama on your left.
Yeah. Is Air miles.
Bang! One of the best, I would say, after $1,000 on sodas off your next flight.